There's no way around it. Exterior roofing and waterproofing are complex projects. That's why you need a partner who understands the intricacies of the building exterior and how to keep even the smallest details watertight, far beyond the industry standard. Someone so invested in the project's success they're by your side 5, 10, 20 years down the road. Garland's proprietary technical support process provides a detailed roadmap to help you and everyone with a vested interest in your building make smart decisions. We work with you as the owner, the design and facilities teams to be the single source of liability, reducing change orders, finger pointing, and all the frustration that can result. As a full-service manufacturer, Garland's knowledgeable team is there from the initial inspection through installation, assisting the building owner, facilities and design teams, contractors, and occupants to ensure the project is properly completed, on time, and on budget. It all starts with RAMP, our Roof Asset Management Program. We provide a thorough inspection of your facility and identify areas of your roof and exterior for repair, restoration, or replacement. If further validation is needed, we perform additional moisture testing through thermal or nuclear scans and send roof core samples to our lab for detailed analysis through CLEAR, our comprehensive laboratory effective analysis reporting program. When we've completed our analysis, you'll receive customized reports to track maintenance, budgets, and recommended solutions, all to provide the clearest picture of your available options. To help get the project underway and completed successfully, we help you and your design team through specifications and details, poring over every inch of the drawings to ensure our proposed solution is right for the problem, the environment, and most importantly, you. We even help with qualified contractor selection, procurement options, site conditions, scheduling, and material delivery. And you're never alone. Your Garland rep will be on site frequently to oversee installation, because even the highest quality products won't perform properly if they aren't installed correctly. Finally, we'll develop a comprehensive preventive maintenance plan to keep your facility performing as intended for the long term. Our work continues long after the project is finalized and the warranty is issued, because we are invested in you and your building for the long haul. At Garland, we're partners for the life of your building.